differentiate between gametogenesis and embryogenesis. Again, we will write it in a classical manner first and then we will categorize it. What is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is formation of gametes from oocytes, whereas embryogenesis is formation of embryo from zygote cell. The cell division during gametogenesis is meiosis, whereas for embryogenesis it is mitosis. It occurs inside a sex organ, whereas embryogenesis will always occur inside a female body. Remember, gametogenesis is formation of gametes and embryogenesis is formation of an embryo from a zygote. Okay? Now categorizing it. Simple, sweet, small, and it will contain each and every detail of your difference. So category 1. The process is known as formation of gametes, whereas this is formation of an embryo. Type of cell division, meiosis. This is mitosis. Location, inside a sex organ, whereas this occurs only inside a female body. So we are done.